Hello everyone, I'm going to continue the matrix multiplication with an example and more systematic method to solve question in the exams. So I've written down the methods you need to apply while solving any matrix multiplication question, and we will solve a simple question after going through this each systematic method. Okay, let's do not waste any more time and start with how to solve any matrix multiplication problem. First, identify the dimension of a matrices. This is really the most important things because we need to check whether dimension matched or not. Remember, I say that dimension are matched when we have a matrix AB and CD. Dimension matched mean that B equal to C. Okay. The third one is take the ith row of a first matrix. I am always starting from the first one, and I am then go through to all the columns, then writing the corresponding cells for each dot product operations. And the fourth one is take the jth columns of a second matrix. And the fifth one, make the dot product between ith row and jth column. Sixth one is write the result in corresponding ij cell in the matrix. And the last one is apply the same procedure until you are finishing all columns for all rows. I know this does not quite make sense to you right now, but we will make an example to solve this. The question is, we are given a matrix A and B, and the question asking that find A dot B, or A times A multiplies B, also B multiplies A. Okay, so let's start it from the AB. And this is in the form of AB, so I am continuing to solve this question with a, let's say, different color. I choose the green one. Let's apply our procedure. Identify the dimension of matrix. What is the dimension of a matrix A? Note that there's how many rows in there. Let's write it there. This is the first row. This is the second row. This is the third row. This is the fourth row. Okay, so there's a fourth row. How many columns in here? This is the first column. This is the second columns, and 2. Okay, the 4 by 2 matrix is the dimension of a matrix A. I believe there's no problem in here, so let's go to the matrix B. How many rows you are seeing in here? I am seeing the first row in here, the second row in here. Okay, I am writing there. And how many columns you are seeing in here? I'm seeing the first one in here, the second one in here, and third one in here. Oh, so the third one is in here. So the dimension of a matrix is 2 by 3 as well for the matrix B. So what was our second rule? Let's check out it. Check whether dimension matched or not. What was the matching dimension is we have AB, we have CD, so B have to be C. I am looking at this should be A, this should be B, this should be C, this should be D. Is B equal to C? Oh yeah. So we can make the multiplication of AB. We can find the result in here. Okay, take the ith row of a first matrix. I am taking the ith, just let me write the resulting matrix in here. Okay, take the ith of a ith row of first matrix, let's say the first row, and take the first column of a jth. This does not matter. I am going to apply the first column. Okay, so this is one, right? This is both of them the first one. So we are writing the Aij. In here it become A11, right? So I am just writing A11 because I am going to take the first row and first column. Just writing there column. Sorry. Let me write in here so that everyone can remember. Let's write in a more general way. Sorry again. Ith row, jth column. So I am taking the first row with the first column, so I am going to write A11, right? Which is equal to, let's make the dot product in here. Let's multiply it 1 times 1 plus 2 by 4 which is equal to 1 plus 8, which is 9, right? And I am doing the first row and the second one, right? Let's choose another color. This is the second, right? So what is corresponding to A? What is it? First row and in a second column. And I am checking it, its corresponding position in our resulting matrix. This is the first row and this is the second column. That's all correct. Let's calculate A12. 1 times 2 plus 2 times 5 equal to 2 plus 10, which is 12, right? Okay, let's choose another color as well, the blue one. And this is the first row. As I am still in the first row because I am not finished. I am not done the going all over the columns. So this is the third column. So what is its corresponding cell position in our resulting matrix? We are in the first row. That's correct. First, and we are in the third column. So this is 1 times 3 plus 2 times 6, which is result is 3 plus 12, which is resulting in 15. So let me write in a more formal way. This is the 15. So for this example, I am going to do each example. So from now, the video could be really long, but you can pass through it if you understand and check whether I am doing check your result with mine. And if there's any problem with yours, write in the comment section. Check this, what I did right now. Okay, so I am go through with a different color in here as well. So we are in the second row, right? In the first matrix, and what is it? We need to go through each column, so we start to A21, right? Let's calculate A21 as well. What is it? 3 times 2 plus 4 times 5, 6, 20, 26. I am going through it really fast. The second row, second column. So after that, I am using the white pencil. Is A22. Check it again. Second row, second column. So I am writing 3 plus, which is 6 plus 20. I mean, come on. Wait a minute. I made a mistake. Sorry for that. Quick sorry. This is A22. This is 26. That's correct. And for A21, this is 3 times 1 plus 4 times 4, which is 16 times 3. This is 19. Okay. A21 is 19. And A22, just be sure I am going to make the same calculation in a quick way. Yes, this is 26. I am writing A23 because I am still in the second row, and this is the third column. 3 times 3 plus 4 times 6 equal to 9 plus 24, which is 33. Now we are in the third row. Third row in a first column plus, sorry. One plus 6 times 4, which is equivalent to 5 plus 24 is 29. I mean, I believe you got the point. And if you realize that I am doing for every row in here, I should expect the fourth row in here, right? Because I am applying the same procedure for every row in here. So the dimension should be the 4, and I am also applying the same procedure with every column. So there should be a 3 column, which is also discovered with us. And this is the 3. So the dimension of our matrix should be 4 times 3. And I say that in the previous video, if B equivalent to C, the dimension of a resulting matrix should be AD. Okay. And in here, A is 4, D is 3. Okay, the question also said find B times A as well. Let me write B times A. What was the dimension of B? Let's write it in a quick way. 3 times. What was the dimension of A? 4 times 3, 4 times 2, and there's some number inside in, and there's also some numbers in here. Okay, so let's look at our procedure and check whether it's we can do matrix multiplication or not. Identifying dimension of matrix, we dimensioned in previous time. So yeah, 2 by 3 and 4 times 2. This is B, this is A. Okay, let's go to check second one. Check whether dimension match or not. Oh, B and B should be C. I'm checking out in, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Is B equal to C? No, it is not. No. So we cannot apply matrix multiplication here. Here. So note that we find AB, but B times A does not exist. Wow. So note that this is different than matrix operation is different than the algebraic operation. This is the reason I am asking in this question as well. I hope everything is right now clear. The next time I am going to solve the question about the basic operation, that's some tricky nasty question. In the exam you can confuse you with those type of question. So that these are our methodology. Do not worry, do not memorize all of the methods. Apply just this method and the 7th method. It will save your life in the exam, okay? See you in the next presentation.